How should a night guard fit? You've been told by your dentist that you'll need to wear one from now on when you sleep. Having never worn one before, you're curious about the feel of it and what to expect. We're here to discuss the perfect fit for a night guard and what you can expect when you wear one. First, there are two different kinds of teeth grinding guards. The first is over the counter at the drugstore or online through Amazon. These are the stock mouth guards that are either ready to pop in after you open up the package or require a boil and bite impression. This means that you'll need to heat up a pot of water, stick in the material of the night guard, and then bite down on it to form an impression. A stock mouth guard will fit extremely bulky and may be uncomfortable to wear as it's designed to fit any mouth. It may rub against your gums or not cover your teeth properly. How should a night guard fit? Well, a boil and bite night guard is a little bit better, but it's likely that there will be extra pieces of the material that needs to be trimmed. You may have little flaps of material on the guard that feel like pieces of food between your teeth. A boil and bite night guard will protect your teeth better than a stock one, but it won't give you the proper protection required to prevent all the side effects of grinding and clenching. Once a boil and bite night guard wears down within a few months, it may become loose and slide off your teeth easily. And there may be holes in it that you can put your tongue through when you wear it. Think of it as a blanket for your teeth that you can place over them, but with just a few movements of the tongue or moving of the jaws, it may shift it around and uncover portions of your teeth, leaving them unprotected. So, how should a night guard fit? It should snap onto your teeth and fit tight but comfortably. A custom night guard is the only type of night guard to provide this fit. If you need a teeth grinding guard, your dentist may want to craft you one. This means going to the dentist and potentially receiving a dental exam, x-rays, and needing dental insurance. Receiving a sleep guard from the dentist is an expensive bill, with it costing hundreds of dollars. A custom night guard is the best fit and it will give you maximum protection while offering premium comfort. Fortunately, there are other ways to receive a custom fitted night guard that are identical to the ones your dentist would craft. SportingSmiles offers 6 different types of night guards, each custom fitted and designed to prevent either clenching, grinding, or both. A night guard should fit directly over your teeth and snap onto them. You'll be able to move your jaw up and down and shift your tongue around without it popping off. When you sleep, your night guard will rest on your teeth comfortably and not restrict your airflow. Custom night guards fit differently because of the material they are made from. It's higher quality, and when crafted by a professional, the trim and fit are flawless for your teeth. Depending on the thickness of the night guard, it should fit your mouth without much notice. SportingSmiles is an online dental lab that offers night guards for half the cost of the dentist and with no need to leave your home. By ordering a night guard from SportingSmiles, you'll receive the patented impression kit and take easy impressions at home. Once completed, you'll ship them back to our lab with free 3-way shipping, where our team will craft you your custom night guard. So, how should a night guard fit? It should snap onto your teeth and hug them firmly without any distractions in your mouth like extra material, bulkiness, or holes. When a night guard fits like this, you know that your teeth are protected against grinding and clenching, and you can save hundreds of dollars and receive a premium sleep guard from SportingSmiles. If you'd like a custom night guard from SportingSmiles, all you have to do is click the link below.